You can customize the In Case of Emergency shortcut to let trusted contacts know where you are and how they can help you. Here's how to set it up. You'll configure the shortcut when you first tap Add Shortcut. Tap the Add button to choose an emergency contact who will get a message with your location when you run the shortcut. This contact can be different than your emergency contacts in the Health app. Tap Continue. Now you can customize the message your emergency contacts will get. You can use the pre-written message or tap it to make changes. When you're done, tap Continue. Next, you can set up key contacts. When you run the shortcut, your key contacts get a separate message without your location. The message can include instructions or anything they need to know. Tap Continue. Finally, enter a message that will be displayed on your screen when the shortcut is activated, such as information about medical conditions that could be useful to someone trying to assist you. When you're finished, tap Done. The configured shortcut is saved in My Shortcuts. You can test your shortcut so your contacts know what to expect. Just tell them it's a test ahead of time so they won't get worried. To run the shortcut, tap it in My Shortcuts. Or you can say, Hey Siri, in case of emergency. The first time you run the shortcut, you'll need to give it a few permissions. First, the shortcut needs your location to send to your emergency contacts. If you agree, tap OK. Next, the shortcut needs permission to send messages. Tap OK if you agree.
Messages have been sent to your emergency contact.
Finally, the shortcut needs permission to display your custom message as a notification. Tap OK if you agree. The shortcut also launches the Apple Books app to display your custom message on your screen. Just in case.